Now let's move on to adding text and subtitles in CapCut PC. Adding text, captions, and subtitles in CapCut PC can enhance engagement, provide context, and make videos more professional. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to 1. Add and customize text overlays. 2. Use animated text effects. 3. Create subtitles automatic and manual. 4. Adjust text properties for a professional look. CapCut allows you to add text directly onto your video that you are editing on the timeline. So if you want to add a text, first, click on the text tab from the top menu. Then you will see this default text here, so you can just drag and drop it to the timeline, or you can click on this plus icon to add it to the timeline. So, after adding the text to the timeline, you can click and drag anywhere you want on the timeline. And with text you can increase the duration to any duration you want. You can make split and even trim them just like the footages. So, if you want to trim, move the mouse cursor to the edge of the text, and it will change to the trim icon. Then drag inward if you want to make a trim, and drag outward if you want to increase the duration of the text. And you can do it on both sides, depending on where your text is placed. So now let's customize our text, and first you need to select the text first, then go to the Attributes panel, and at this place, type the text you want. And first we will start from font, so click on it. Then choose any font you want from CapCut's library. So, all you need is click on the download button, and the font will be downloaded. Then apply them to your text. Then let's move to font size. So you can use this slider to increase or decrease the font size. Or another method is drag this dot on the corner of the text box on the preview window to increase or decrease the size of the text. And you can make your text bold, underline it, and make it look italic. And also, you can also make it uppercase, lowercase, or title case. You can also change the color of the text here, so click on it. Then this color window will pop up, and you can use any color you want. And all these editing formatting tools can be applied to your text. And CapCut even have preset text style you can even use for free. And you can even give your text an outline by using the stroke feature, so scroll down till you find stroke. Then click on this box to check it, so you can apply it to your text. Now you can change the color of your stroke here. And also, play around with the settings until you get what you want. And if you want to add background to your text, use the background feature to add backgrounds to the text, and you can also change the color to any color you want. And even make the text curve by using the curve feature. So you can play around with this slider to get the exact curve you want. So each attribute has its own settings. You can play around it to get what you want. So, let's add some animation to our text. And CapCut has built-in text animations that you can use on the text. Select the text layer on the timeline, then click on the animation tab here. And CapCut animation has 3 categories. The first one is the in animation, and this shows how text appears, and CapCut has a lot of them here to use for free. The second is the out animation, which show how text disappears, and CapCut has a lot of them here, so try them on your text and let me know which one is your favorite. And the last one is loop animation. This is a continuous movement of the animation you applied on the text. So after adding animation to your text, come to this particular place. You can use the slider to decrease or increase the speed of the animation you used. So as you can see in animation, it always starts at the beginning of the slider. Out animation is also at the end of the slider, and loop animation is in the middle of the slider. Adding subtitles makes videos more accessible and engaging. And there are 2 methods in doing this. First is using CapCut's built-in AI to generate the subtitles, and the second is manually doing it yourself. Method 1. Auto-generated subtitles AI. CapCut has an auto caption feature that detects speech and generates subtitles. Click on the text tab. Then select auto captions, or you can click on caption tab here. Now select the language your speech is in, then click generate. CapCut will transcribe the video or the audio for you. Review and edit any mistakes in the subtitles. So go to the Attributes panel and click on Caption. And here you can review and edit any mistake. And you can edit it just the way you edit text, like resize, changing the font, color, and all the tools here can be used on the caption. You can even add animation to your caption, so go to animation, and you can add any animation you want to the caption, and CapCut has a special animations tab you can use on your caption only. Pro tip: auto captions work best with clear audio and minimal background noise. And also, when editing your caption, take note of this apply to all. If this is checked, every editing format you will apply to one caption will affect all. So, if you want to add editing effects to a particular caption, uncheck it first before you add them. Method 2. Manually adding subtitles. If the auto captions are inaccurate, you can add subtitles manually. Or if your video doesn't have a speech but wants to add subtitles, you can use the manual method. And if you want to do that, go to text and add a default text to the timeline. Then type the subtitle for the first scene. Drag the text layer on the timeline to match the dialogue, then add another text to the timeline, and type for the second scene. Repeat for each line of dialogue. Pro tips for better text and subtitles. Keep subtitles 1 to 2 lines max per scene for easy reading. Use sans serif fonts, for example, Arial, Montserrat for easy reading. Keep subtitles concise, avoid long sentences. Place subtitles in the lower third of the video for a clean look. Use contrasting colors to ensure readability against any background. And wait, I am not going to leave you hanging after this tutorial. So in the next video, I am going to show you step by step to create 10 amazing text effects in CapCut to use it your videos for free. And don't forget to leave comments in the comments section and also give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video.